Hey there foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a delicious and healthy tofu veg salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. So let's get started. First let's prepare a simple dressing for the salad with some soy sauce, water and some jaggery powder. Now into a pan add some oil, some chopped garlic, saute it for some time. Then add some sliced onions. Now let's add the veggies like cabbage, zucchini, carrots. Mix it. Then finally add some corn with some salt. Now mix everything and cook till it becomes slightly soft. Now here I am taking some tofu, add some salt in it. Then you can shallow fry these tofu in a pan. Now our veggies are ready. Now add the dressing with the tofu and mix it. If you like to add some more veggies in it, you can go ahead, like broccoli, mushrooms, etc. Now our salad is ready. And that's it, our tofu veg salad is ready. Serve it with some roasted peanuts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos. See you in the next video.